How are we doing, guys? We're back with another gold mining video, and this one is probably a really good one for people who, want to save money, because I'm going to show you how to maintain an extra 20% discount forever, which means all of the Bitcoin that you're mining, you're going to collect all of it. None of that Bitcoin is going to be spent on electricity or service fees. Now, to do this, obviously, we need to know how much GMT we need to get that extra 20% discount. So I'm going to scale this all the way up. I need 13,525.62 GMT to get a 20% discount. Now, the one problem is if I just buy that much, put it in my virtual wallet, after a month or two, it's going to go down. It's going to go down. It's going to go down. Why? Because it's spending that GMT. There's only GMT coming out of my wallet and none going in. So what you need to do is you need to figure out how much you're spending in electricity fees, convert that to GMT, and then minus the 20% that you would need, times that by 7, and now you know your weekly GMT needed to pay for your maintenance fees. I know that sounds confusing, but I'm going to go over it. So obviously, we can see the number down here. If I have a max of 20% discount, I'm going to be paying 7.65 GMT less every day. But look, when it goes down, you can see the number also goes down. So firstly, what I'm going to do is close that. I'm going to come over to my dashboard, scroll down, the choose currency. I'm going to switch that to USD. Now, this might be a little confusing for some people, but it is what it is. This number down here is for my actual 500 terahash at 15 watts a terahash miner. This number up here is for the 16 terahash at 20 watts terahash miner, the bonus one that it gave me for a little bit. It does the payments, separately. So I at least know how much I actually pay without that bonus miner. So every single day with 500 terahash at 15 watts a terahash, I'm paying $8.40 in electricity every single day, and I'm paying $4.15 in service fees every day. Add that together, we're paying $12.55 every single day in USD. That's pretty good. But if we had that 20% discount on top of that, I would only be paying $10.04 every day. Now, what we need to do is convert that to GMT, and at the current rates, $10.04 is 28.45 GMT. This is how much GMT I would need every single day to pay for my maintenance fees with that extra 20% discount on top. And now I need to know how much GMT I will be spending weekly on maintenance fees. So easily, everyone knows how to do this. How many days are there in a week? There's 7. So you just times that number, whichever number you have. Make sure you're doing this based off of your own numbers and not mine. Don't be going off of my $12.55. Whatever you're doing, if you want, follow along, go on your GoMining page, literally look at your things and go along with me. Just change the numbers. Change the numbers for your own. So we obviously know that 28.45 times 7 for the 7 days a week is 199.15 GMT I would need every single week to pay for my maintenance fees to get my full Bitcoin reward. The one problem is we already know that I need like 13,500 GMT to get that 20% discount, but then after a week, I'd be down 200 GMT. After 2 weeks, I'd be down 400. After a month, I would be down 800 GMT. I'd probably be down to the 19% discount. I don't want that. So to make sure that I'm getting GMT in my wallet every single day, I need to be bringing in over 200 GMT a week. The way to do this is you want to come over to the governance tab here, click on the My Lockup, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be locking up GMT and earning it, and that earned GMT you're getting is going to be going towards your maintenance fees. You can already see here, I have a tiny lockup, the tiniest. I did it for fun, like literally a few months ago. On September 1st, I locked up a total of 4.76 GMT. You can see my total rewards already are 0.57 GMT. That's nothing because I locked up nothing. But what we're going to do is we're going to calculate how much GMT we need to lock up to get at least 200 GMT every week to pay for those fees. So I'm going to click on the calculate here. It already shows you at a max period lockup with 100,000 GMT, I'll be getting 537 GMT every week. That's too much. That's too much. So we're going to see, what about 50,000? Still too much. 40,000? That's pretty good right there. What about 39, 38, 37, 38? We'll go 38. That way, we'll be getting an extra 5 GMT basically an extra 5 GMT. So by locking up 38,000 GMT, which it's not cheap. At current rates, that's $13,333. But to lock that up, I'll be getting 205 GMT every week, which would then pay for my weekly maintenance fees, and I'd be getting the full bonus, well, not full bonus, I'd be getting the full pool reward, as well as maintaining this 20% discount the entire time, because I would have, I think we all know, 38,000 GMT is way more needed than, the 13,500 GMT. And by doing that, you're also going to be shooting your ROI up a lot more, because you have to think about it. Bitcoin normally just, even though right now, yes, the price is going down, but in a few years, I guarantee Bitcoin will be over $150,000. And if you're getting that full pool reward, that Bitcoin that you're earning, Oh my God, that's a lot of money. That's a lot. That is a lot. But obviously, we have to remember, if you start upgrading your miner, like if I add another 50 terahash, then I already know I'm going to need another 10% more GMT, which is going to be another 1,350 GMT. So I would have to lock up even more. So just remember, if you are going to do this strategy, I'm actually going to call this a strategy because this is the only thing that I can think of to where it is a good advantage. Unless, you know, price of GMT just fucking collapses down to 20 cents, then you're going to have to lock up even more. But of course, you always have to remember with everything, the price is continuously changing. It's continuously changing. So if you just want to ensure that you're going to keep that discount, even if the price goes down, maybe do some calculations to see how much GMT you would need if the price of GMT is like 30 cents or 25. It's pretty easy to do that. But this is the strategy. It's the only strategy that I can think of for solo mining to ensure that you're getting that full pool reward, keeping that extra 20% discount, and continuously having GMT go in your wallet rather than come out. You know what I mean? It's a very, very simple strategy. I might do it, but then again, that's an extra $13,330 that I currently don't have. And if I'm not wrong, I've already invested about $11,000 to $12,000 USD into my current mining farm. But if you're thinking about doing this strategy because you only have, you know, 50 or 16 terahash, go for it. Double down on your investment. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just suggesting. I'm suggesting, you know, in GTA or Minecraft, that gay ass game, to invest a little bit more because you'll be getting that full Bitcoin. It's worth it. Personally, in my opinion, it's worth it getting that full Bitcoin. But it's not worth it, in my opinion, to buy the minimum amount of. See, the number keeps changing because the price keeps changing. Again, last week I think this was like 12,500 or just under 12,000, but because the price has gone down quite a bit, I would need to buy more GMT. That's the thing. That's what I don't like about being like, okay, I'm just going to buy the set amount needed, and then eventually this is just going to slowly go down. No, that's not at all how I want to do it. The way that I would want it is I want GMT continuously going in my wallet so I would have enough to pay for that maintenance fees so I don't have to keep putting more and more and more and more money in. You know what I mean? So other than that, always look into doing your own research, start investing, whether it's real estate, stock market, crypto, Bitcoin mining itself, fucking anything. Always do your own research and do something with your money. If you're just doing nothing, guess what? 11% inflation is eating that bitch. It's eating it. So have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon. Referral link is down in the description below. If you're already mining, use this discount. They got that 10% off for current miners. And we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one. Adios y hasta pronto, putas.
I don't discriminate, scared to get money, get the hell up out my face. You win some,